Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to make a comparison between the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Pro Max spec sheet. So let's begin the video. So starting from the design and the build quality, well, both the devices are coming with the great build quality. We have the stainless steel options available around the corner and the edges are protected quite well. The front is also protected by ceramic shield, which is obviously going to be a great option to have. Other than that, the design is pretty much similar. Both of these devices are coming with almost same design, just the notch which is going to be a little bit on a smaller size as compared to last year model. And also the iPhone 13 Pro Max is going to be a little bit on the thicker side. I think that it's going to be 0.35 millimeter of a thickness this time around in order to hold the larger battery capacity, and this will also add the weight inside the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is going to be a little bit on the heavier side than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. As far as the display is concerned, well, both the devices are using the same OLED panel as the previous years, and it's also going to be more durable. The biggest difference between both of these devices is the 120Hz of ProMotion display that is only coming in the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is not available in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you are a fan of 120Hz refresh rate, then you definitely go towards the iPhone 13. If you are not, then 60Hz refresh rate is more than enough for you. So next is the battery life. Well, basically the battery life of both the devices is going to be pretty much great. We have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is coming with at least 4300 milliamp for battery cell, whereas the iPhone 13 Pro Max is coming with 4000 milliamp for battery capacity. And obviously we have the larger battery in the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so its battery backup is going to be pretty much great. And internally there's also going to be changes in the Apple A15 Bionic is little bit faster. It's going to be 15% faster than the last year models in terms of processing, but the GPU performance is really fast as compared to the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Rest of the specs are pretty much same. We have the 6GB of RAM inside, which is obviously going to be a great option to have. Moving forward, we have the cameras on the back side. Both the devices are coming with the same design camera bump on the back side with the triple camera setup as well, and this time around we are going to see the iPhone 13 Pro Max has a little bit larger sensor than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which will allow more light in order to take the photography, and the photography overall features will be much enhanced as compared to iPhone 12 Pro Max. The camera sensor on both the devices are pretty much same, and both of these devices are coming with 12 megapixel of main sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel of telephoto lens alongside with the LiDAR scanner as well. So guys, overall this is going to be a smaller change in terms of the iPhone 13 Pro Max because we only have a smaller notch, we have a bigger battery, a new processor inside the device, and the ProMotion coming in the display are the few changes that are coming this year iPhones. So honestly I think that if you are not a big fan of the 120Hz ProMotion, then the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a great option to have. But if you are a guy who has the iPhone 11 or iPhone 10 series devices, then I will definitely recommend that this is going to be a great option to have, so you should buy that particular device. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.